Pricing your book on KDP might seem simple, but there are a few easy mistakes that can really hurt your earnings, especially if you don't catch them early. First up, setting your price too low. While it's tempting to keep your price low to attract buyers, remember that your royalty depends on your list price minus printing cost. If you price too close to the minimum, you might barely make anything per sale. Second, don't forget to check your minimum price. KDP has strict minimum prices for paperbacks and hardcovers based on printing cost. If you try to set it lower, your book won't publish or you won't earn royalties. Third, if you sell both paperback and hardcover, update the pricing separately. Hardcovers have higher printing costs, so their minimum price is usually higher than paperbacks. Don't accidentally set them the same and lose money on hardcovers. Finally, watch out for those international prices. KDP auto converts your US price to other currencies, but sometimes that ends up with awkward decimals like €10 and 1 cent or £8 and 43 cents. Just take a minute to round those prices to cleaner numbers. That way, it will look more professional and it can improve sales. Fixing these mistakes can make a big difference to your royalties and your readers' experience. If you're still working on your book formatting or cover design, I will share the tool I use down below. It saves me tons of time so I can focus on pricing and marketing. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.